Okay, let us now continue to question 4. Since now we have our problem, we can split the 3 to the power x plus 1 and also the negative 3 to the power x minus 1. So splitting them, you'll have 3x times 3 to the power 1 minus 3x times 3 to the power minus 1, which is equals to 216. So factoring out 3 to the power of x, you're going to get 3 minus 3 to the power of minus 1, which is equals to 216. Now what's left to do is apply the laws that we discussed. So it's going to be 3x. So inside the bracket is going to be 3 minus 1 over 3, which is equals to 216. Now we have to simplify inside the bracket first. So you're going to have 3 to the power x, which is equals to, which is open bracket, over 3. Now you're going to have 3 times 3, which is 9. Goes once, so it's going to be minus 1, which is 216. Now you have 3 to the power x multiplied by 8 over 3 to the power, which is equals to 216. So now to simplify further, we want to transport 8 to the power of 3 to that other side. So you're going to get 3 to the power x 8 over 3 times 3 over 8, which is equals to 216. 3 over 8. What you do on the left, you also do on the right. So this side is going to be left with 3 to the power x, which is equals to, now 216 times 3 over 8, you get 81. So the same process of finding factors, 81 shift factor, which is 3 to the power 4, which is going to get 3x equals to 3 to the power 4. Same basis, you take the exponents as they are. So it's going to be x is equals to 4. Okay, now question 5, which is 3 inside the bracket is 9 to the power x plus 3 equals to 27 to the power of 2x minus 1. The same process, remember, finding your multiples of 9 and 27. So if you know, you can say 3, we know that 3 times 3 is 9, so it's going to be 3 to the power of 2x plus 3, or you can do it the same way I showed you using the calculator, equals to, you know that 3 times 3 times 3 is 27, so it's going to be 3 to the power 3 2x minus 1. So simplifying is going to be 3 times 3 to the power of 2x plus 3, which is equals to 3 okay, I think you have made a mistake. So here we have 6, since it's 2 times 3, then going to this other side, it's going to be 3 times 2x, which is going to be 6x, 3 times negative 1, which is going to be minus 3. So when you have the same basis, you take the exponent as they are. So what I can do is, let me say 3, remember when you multiply same basis, you add the exponent as they are. So I'm gonna say 3 2x plus 6 plus 1, since it's 3 to the power of 1, which is equals to 3 6x minus 3. So now when you take when you have the same basis, take the exponent as they are. So it's going to be 2x 6 plus 1, which is going to be 7, which is equals to 6x minus 3. So when you transport 2x that side and 3 this side, it's going to be 10, which is equals to negative 6x minus 2x, which is going to be 4x. So x is equals to 10 over 4, which is the same as 5 over 2. Okay, now students, now we have a Similar question to the previous ones, but this one, the 2's at the top are not multiplying, and also below between 8 and 4. There's no multiplication throughout the question. So what you can do first is to split the numbers that are not that don't have the base of 2 into the base of 2. So we have 4 and 8. We know that 4, to split it, you can have 2 times 2, which is to the power of 2. And for the same thing for 8, you can have 2 times 2 times 2, which is like 2 to the power of 3. So doing it is going to be like 2x times 2 to the power of 2 minus 2 to the power 2x times 2 to the power minus 1 all over 2 to the power of 2x, since it's 2 times x, plus 2 to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of 2x times 2 to the power of negative 4. So at the top there's a common variable, so it's 2 to the power of 2x, and same thing below. So we're gonna factor it out to be 2 to the power of 2x, 2 to the power of 2 minus 2 to the power of negative 1 all over 2 to the power of 2x. Below is going to be 1 plus 2 to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of minus 4. So these two are going to cancel out each other. So you're going to be left with 2 to the power of 2, which is like 4, minus 1 over 2 at the top. Then below is going to be 1 plus 2 to the power of 3, it's 8. Since we're going to have, it's negative, we're going to inverse this into a below 8. So it's going to be 2 to the power of 4 is like 16. So when you plug it on a calculator, you're going to get 16. So here we have our question, so we can simplify further. So it's going to be 2 times 2 is going to be 8 minus 1 divide by 16. 16 goes once, minus 8, which is going to be 8. So it's going to be 7 over 2 divided by 8 over 16, which is like 1 over 2. So it's going to be like 7 over 2 divided by 1 over 2. So now you're going to have 7 over 2 times 2 over 1. When you change the division sign to multiplication sign, you also change the values in the fraction, interchange them. So it's going to be, these two are going to cancel each other, then going to be left with 7.